Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse. I'm back again in this channel, guys. As you know, in this channel, I share knowledge about the Forex trading and also assisting you guys to be able to take some of the strategies that I use. But if you like to learn directly from me, you know what to do. Contact us on WhatsApp. Click the link on the description where you see the website. Then also, if you like to use the broker that I'm using, click the link below and sign up with the broker. They are offering 100% bonus, and they also have very low spreads, and they offer quality service. Please, let's go into the charts. Hey everyone, now I'm on the charts. I'll be showing you guys just about how you can be able to take those scalping trades on a 5 minutes, because I often hear people saying that they are not able to trade because they have small accounts. With this strategy, you'll be able to take small profits, but also risking very less. And also you'll be able to understand, by you taking in the information that you are applying, you are actually taking information from the bigger trend. So now I'm on 5 minute time frame. I want to show you. Do you see that as I always explain, that we'll have this certain scenario? Let me just show you. This one, you need it in a bigger structure. Let's say now we are having this in a what? In a what is it? In a bigger time frame. Like for instance, your daily. Okay, fine. Let's leave it at that. So now you can see now this is on daily. But then if we go to smaller time frame, I'm gonna use this. I have to, okay, let's say we take it, okay, something like this. Okay, this one I'm gonna use it as a solid line. Okay, something like this. So can you see all of these lines there? All of them, they are what? They are in a uptrend. Let me just, is it possible for me to move it here? Okay, yeah, something like here. So all of this is within the trend line. It will be something like this. Yes, all of this. But can you see that this is a different time frame? Let's say, for instance, we are having D1, and then if we go down to smaller time frames, this will be what? M5, which is the 5 minute. So can you see that regardless of what it goes down, you have to understand that we follow the major trends. So you can see in the smaller time frame, it's able to show you and give you multiple entries, and you are able to enter and exit. That way you are building your account. But don't forget the bigger picture of understanding that you are in an uptrend, and start selling here, looking at it as a trend. But that happens that you can be able to capitalize and take those smaller wins. But always understand that you'll be trading what? The retracement is not a bigger um, trend. The bigger trend is upward. Okay, fine. So let me remove everything, and then I'm gonna start now on higher time frame, which is the daily. I like to show you guys just about how you can be able to capitalize and making sure that you take the right trades. The most important thing you need to be aware of is follow your trend. Okay, fine. Now you can see we are having what? We had a major bullish trend. So I could say that at the moment we had this trend in a downtrend, but then currently what are we looking at? We are looking at this because you can see that it's pushing to the upside. Yes, you can see that we had this break. We had this break coming downside. So you need to be aware of what is currently happening in the market and what has happened and also what is the trend. Many people can say that this is a downtrend. Why? Because they're looking at it as coming from the longer impulsive phase. But you have to understand that the market simply repeats the market simply repeats the information. So same way that you'll see that you'll get impulse correction impulse on lower time frame, you also get it where on higher time frame. So can you see that we broke this low but we never broke this one? So simply saying this low held to say I'm stopping here, this is my demand area, the market has to push to the upside. So now we are saying, okay, fine. We are looking at the market from this point. Now we can safely say that we are now in a what? In an uptrend. Understand? Because you can see the market now it's creating higher highs and higher lows. You can see here we have what? Let me go to 4 hour to be much more clear. Okay, fine. This I can take it as what? Higher high, higher high, and then this will be what? Higher low. So can you see this high is higher than this one, and then this higher low is higher than this. So we're looking at this information with curiosity, because now I want to show you just about how you can be able to capitalize on this market. So fine. This is what we're looking at. So we can see that in the market, we say in an uptrend, we have higher highs and higher lows. So the market has to respect these properties for us to keep on being where in a uptrend. So this is what is currently happening. So I can just put this here at this level. Okay, fine. High highs. So you can see now what did we do? We created a higher high, and now expecting to create a what? A higher low around this point. So I'm expecting the market to do this certain push and push to the upside, but this is on 4 hours. So now let me start and go to 15 minutes. Don't just jump straight into M5. So can you see that here we had this higher low, and it's giving us what? Some sort of a what? And then so now I'm looking at this, giving us more information, having what? The higher low. So you can say, so expecting the market to, you can say, yeah, let me put it here. Expecting the market to create a new higher high. Oops, yes. Expecting the market to create a new higher high, which for instance can come. So this is what I'm currently having. Let me zoom in, use my patterns. I'm on 15 minutes. Okay, I can use this. And then now I'm gonna go to 5 minutes. So it's possible for the market to end here or also go up a little bit. So let me just put it here. So now I'm on M5. While I'm on M5, you need to understand the mistakes that people make. I'm on M5, but then can you see that M5, this was a downtrend, it was a channel. So we are having a move pushing to the downside. The market was simply respecting and breaking the lower lows. Lower high, respecting the lower high and breaking the lower lows. So this, for instance, would say it's a what? Let's take it this one. Lower high, lower low. And this one, something like this. So this was a, 5-minute downtrend, but you have to understand the bigger picture. Remember that one of these lines comes from M15. So let's look at what can we make of this. So, oops, I removed the very important. Let me do this. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. This point is very much significant because I don't want to be caught on the wrong side. Hence, I'm saying I expect the market to reverse around here or reverse around this zone. So you need to be aware of what is currently happening in the market. So we have a chance of continuing with our this. Simply saying, we can simply say we continue to buy once it breaks here. So don't be caught up in trades that you are not ready for or prepared for. Wait for the break. Okay, fine. So now I'm saying we have another chance of the market doing this, creating a lower high before pushing to the downside, which will be the last push. So obviously here, what you do would sell around this point. Sell here, then take it all the way down. And also, you could see that if you take this, we broke here. So expect the market to come back here. Hence, we are now in a downtrend. And this one was a small uptrend. So when the very same approach that you are applying on daily 1 hour, you apply the same, but always remember to confirm with the higher time frame. So know what you are trading. Are you trading a correction or you are trading an impulse move? So this, with this instance, I know that on a bigger this is a correction, but this one we are having what? A correction inside a correction, but they are the opposite. This is a correction to the upside, this is a correction to the downside. So you clearly see that you are saying once the market breaks here, we expect the market to push further to the downside for the last time, or he has a chance of pushing further down. So with the 5 minutes, it will simply assist you and you'll be able to put small limited stop loss so that you don't lose a lot. So hence I can see, you see here, if I put my stop, I can say 20 pips. I'm giving it a little bit of room. I know that if it breaks, that simply means I'm wrong. But now you see I'm risking 20 pips in order for what? For 60 pips. So that's the most important thing. Learn to take partial profits, because 5 minutes will assist you in building your account. Your small account will definitely grow on 5 minutes, and you need to be aware of what is currently happening in the market structure. I want to show you the one that happened. You see this one, we had a move, could say here, it was way on 5 minutes. And simply say, okay, fine, I'm having this type of scenario. I'm gonna buy here, and then the market, and then my stop loss will be below this low. You can see now you're having 27 pips, but you're profiting 61 pips. So it really works, guys. You just need to be practicing what you've learned on higher time frame, and then you learn it where on small analysis. You can see another one will be simply this one. And then also don't be greedy with taking profits. Learn to take this is the low, you can put it here, 13 pips, then you're profiting what? 53 pips. So you can see all the risk ratios are 1:3 and more. So always remember the market will keep on changing majority of the time, because now you are trading where you are on the smaller time frame, which is the 5 minutes. But you also confirming with what? This has to be below here, 24 pips, and you're profiting what? 100. This one will be, yes, 100 pips, but 97 pips. So you see how much you could have made. So guys, please make sure you click the like, subscribe, and the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a new video from me, your favorite mentor, Ofentse Ledwaba. Catch me in the next video.